车辆剧烈晃动，下一秒就翻了过去。民宅外头强风暴雨，连建筑物表面都被吹落。居民目击电线走火，路旁还有铁皮到处飞舞。台湾时间24日晚间，马娃台风最大风速达每小时225公里，暴风圈触路虽然消减台风力道，但冲击威力不减。
It's been almost 20 years since we've got hit with the Category 4 typhoon. A lot of our constituents may not be ready for this.
从太空站观测该地区受到厚重云层笼罩，外媒表示当地几乎全境停电，部分通讯也受阻，海岸地区等多处居民都被要求撤离。
Typhoon will come to Guam. I'm very scared.
It's bad. It's bad. I need to get out of there.
You can't really see it, but the center of the low itself, just north of Guam. So some of the strongest winds would move right over the southern island of Rota, and the heaviest rain would sit right over Guam.
虽然风暴已经离开关岛北部，但各地预期将要面临后续暴雨、致命狂风与强风暴等3重威胁，更担心接下来几天恐怕上演洪水土石流。
I wasn't expecting to be stuck here for 5 days, and I'm actually getting married next week.
机场空荡荡，原定23日至25日60个航班起降遭到取消，让这名要赶回家的美国旅客相当无奈。美国总统拜登23日就宣布关岛进入紧急状态，当地官方也强调居民应保持冷静，安全等待风暴远离。三立新闻林汉报道。